Hi guys, welcome to Richard Cabile YouTube channel, and today's video I will teach you how to set website on Wattpad. And okay guys, but before we start, kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel by pressing the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new videos. Okay guys, let's start. So okay guys, you only have to do is go to Wattpad application in your mobile phone. And okay guys, here in Wattpad homepage, okay, go to profile picture on the upper right side on your screen. And after that, click the gear icon on the upper right side on your screen. And okay guys, here in settings, okay, go to account settings. And okay guys, here in account settings, okay, scroll down and okay guys, you can see below the website. So okay guys, you only have to do is click website. And okay guys, now you can add a website to your Wattpad account. And okay guys, to do that, okay, put here your website. And okay guys, you only have to do is click OK button. And okay guys, website added. And okay guys, we have successfully add the website to your Wattpad account. Okay guys, here you can see your website. And okay guys, that's it. And okay guys, if you have a question, kindly comment below, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new videos. Okay guys, thank you for watching.